Stone, I want to tell a short story. So when I Should Speak was coming to Ghana, I went to the airport to shoot his arrival, and then I recorded a video of the motorbikes that were coming, and I placed it on TikTok. Just when I was about to add music, your new song dropped. I'm like, what song is this? Upon listening for the first time, I had to use it, and the video went viral. Now, when did that song come? What was the inspiration behind that song?
I think the song was released on a Friday last week, and the inspiration is clear. When you take a dive into the lyrics, you understand that we came from somewhere we touched ground. You know, I use some aviation terms, which is open for, let's say Google is your best friend. So the lyrics are also prominent on there, and I encourage patrons and fans to make it a fun thing to do, to research on some of these things that we say in music. It gets to have you understand the music some more. So Silent Samurai is actually, to me, like a poetic standpoint of where I am right now, where I believe that there's power in silence. Like they say, silence is golden, because when you are focusing, right, and you are working and you are pushing a certain objective, there's a need for you to keep quiet. You can't talk whilst you're eating at the same time. You can choke. So you have to focus. So that's what it all